Hi everyone, and welcome to Travel World. Today, we are going to be talking about how to travel alone safely in other countries. Solo travel can be an amazing experience, but it's important to be aware of the potential risks and taking steps to stay safe. Here are a few tips for staying safe while solo traveling to other countries. Do your research. When you're planning your trip, take some time to research the specific country or city you'll be visiting. You should learn about the local customs and laws and be aware of any potential safety concerns. For example, if you're planning on visiting a Muslim country, it's important to be aware of the dress code and to dress respectfully. You should also be aware of the local laws, as some countries have strict laws about alcohol and drugs. Be aware of your surroundings. When you're out, be aware of your surroundings and keep an eye out for anything suspicious. Don't walk alone at night, and avoid dark and secluded areas. If you're in a crowded area, be aware of your personal belongings and don't let anyone take them from you. Tell us in comments below which place would you like to travel alone. Trust your gut. If something feels wrong, be alert and vigilant. If you feel uncomfortable in a situation, don't be afraid to walk away. Because it's better to be safe than sorry. Stay in well-lit areas. When you're walking around, try to stay in well-lit areas. This will make you less of a target for criminals. If you're walking at night, use a flashlight or carry a bright object with you. Make sure to subscribe our channel for more such content. Don't carry valuables. If not necessary, avoid carrying valuables with you when you're out. For example, you should put your wallet in the inside pocket of your jacket or in a money belt. Be aware of scams. There are many scams that target tourists. Be aware of these scams and how to avoid them. Also, you have to be aware of not to get yourself pickpocketed. To avoid this, be aware of your surroundings and don't let anyone get too close to you. Let someone know where you're going. Before you move out, let someone know where you're going and when you are expected to be back. This way, if something happens, someone will know where to look for you. Special tip: don't drink too much alcohol and don't get into fights. We hope these tips help you stay safe while traveling alone.